Hello everyone, good morning. Not good morning, actually it's afternoon. So good afternoon, it's Sunday and we are going to Lulu Mall. Lulu Mall, as I mentioned in the previous video, I forgot, it's very famous here and it's a huge mall and we get everything that we want to eat. So we will be buying few khane ka cheeze, few dresses I need. I'm running short of dresses, actually not short of dresses. Anyway, I need some dresses and few more shopping and I will hopefully take you all along. So let's go. Let me also go. So जाने के लिए एकदम ready हो गए थे and then only we remembered, not we actually, it is his responsibility that he forgot to bring the गाड़ी का key. So we are again going back to our apartment and again we will have to go. So anyway, let's go. So finally we reached Lulu and it's raining heavily. So now first thing we will have our lunch here in Lulu before shopping because we have skipped our lunch at home. So after a long time we will be having something in Lulu. So let's go. So now we are heading towards the car parking, which is at the basement. And as you can see, during normal days before COVID, it used to be a huge rush here. लेकिन अभी तो एकदम जैसे खाली हो गया, like it feels like empty, मतलब भीड़ बहुत ही कम हो गया अभी. लेकिन अभी लॉकडाउन जब थोड़ा विड्रॉ कर दिया, अभी फिर भी थोड़े बहुत लोग देखने को मिल रहा है. So our lunch has arrived and we have ordered chicken biryani, like chicken Hyderabadi biryani, and for myself I have ordered chicken momos. But before that we will sanitize our hands and also we have got our own sanitizer, like pocket में रख दिया है. Anytime we need, like we take out and we need to sanitize. So one item has come. We will have this first. So we have finished the first one. This is Szechuan momo and he is still into the first. Tumi ar kichu nibe? No. You will have one momo now, one more?
One more.
Okay. So now we have come to Lulu Connect. Here you generally get all electronic stuffs and home appliances, but we don't need anything now. We are basically going downstairs to Lulu Fashions to get face masks for ourselves.
Military.
So we got a new mask from Wildcraft. इसको लगाने का और लाइट हो जाने का टिका लाना. Oh, we have to fix it, ना?
Yeah, press it. चलो.
Ooh. Since many days I wanted to get myself a smart watch to make myself smart maybe. But today suddenly Sam took me to this Fossil store and now we are selecting some watches. So by the time the strap is being adjusted, I took some photos in the store. Also, I need to learn all the features of this watch. Like I do not know yet anything. So let's see क्या होता है.
Okay. Done. Some tutorials.
Learn more. Swipe in each direction.
Each directions. Each direction ऊपर नीचे करना. कितना बड़ा होगा ना?
मैं वीडियो कॉल ही बात था हमें. Wow, this is cool, isn't it? So this line is going up to there. So we are returning back from Lulu Mall. Actually we were about to get few essential items, लेकिन few essential items से भी ज़्यादा कुछ हो गया was my shopping. Like it was unexpected. I didn't even ask for it. It was Sam who had like kind of forced me to take all this thing. So what I have shopped, I will go and show it once I reach home. वैसे you can see I have kept in my lap all the things I have got. So that's all. But what are the products I have shopped? Like I have got a watch and I have got 3 lipsticks. So we'll go home and show it to you. Due to COVID, the entire world has come to an halt, it seems, and things are getting worse and worse each day. Let's pray that things get back to normal and we have that beautiful life again. So this area always used to be filled with traffic, matlab. So I have started the camera again just to show like what I have shopped. I said you earlier like the shopping issue and all. So I just started the camera to show you guys. So first thing that I got is a beautiful watch. My hands are still red because I got lipsticks also. Anyways, this watch is a smart watch. It's from the brand Fossil and it's of Gen 5 or something, I don't know, but it will track everything, my fitness और इसमें बहुत कुछ features है. I'm yet to get to know all the features. And I also got lipsticks. Like last time I got way more than needed. That few got expired and I couldn't even use them properly. So I had that thing in my mind and I thought कि नहीं इस बार नहीं लेना है ज़्यादा, but I got at a very good deal from Color Bird. This were pretty good and I love the color a lot. एक तो मैंने लगाया है थोड़ा फेस वॉश करने के बाद, I think चला गया. And I love the packaging also a lot. बहुत cute है. See how cute is this? And the shades are so beautiful. और जब लगाएंगे ना, it gets like ish. I loved it and I'm so happy. Anyways, I will share the shades if needed. So that's what got this few things or mask. And for Bhagwan ji, I got few like packets of almonds and cashews and all. So that's how my day went by. It went by pretty good. And right now I will sit to study and after that we'll have dinner, nothing much. And I hope you love the vlog. If you love the vlog, please like, share and subscribe and be a part of my virtual family. And the link of this watch, if you want, I will share it in the description box. So that's it. See you again in another day with another vlog, and let's see if we can also make some travel plans because अभी थोड़ा relaxation हो रहा है, but again there are chances of the risk of COVID is increasing again, so I don't know. Anyway, see you again in another day with another vlog. Till then, bye bye and good night.